Okay, guys, you absolutely want to be a part of my LinkedIn Turbochargers. How to get 100K in 6 months using my system. And this is going to be held, and this is a paid program. It is going to be held in January on the 4th, which is a Thursday at 2 p.m. Mountain Time. And it'll be 4 p.m. Eastern and 1 p.m. Pacific. So I'm afraid I don't know all the other time extensions, time zones around the world. So hopefully you can figure it out according to your time zone. And I hope it fits. And I really look forward to this because this is a time when we will get you to share your screens and we'll go one by one and help you with some ideas on how to actually make your LinkedIn profile attract your perfect customer. Most people set up their LinkedIn profiles like a resume. And how boring is a resume? If it's set up the way most business or professional resumes are set up. So I will teach you how to make your resume attract people to you. And that's the whole key to marketing, is attracting your perfect customer. So first of all, you need to know who your perfect customer is. So I recommend very strongly that you work on that and get your perfect customer figured out before you come into this class so that we can get lots of work done and really dive deep into your own personal profile. I'm Christine Till. I'm the marketing mentress, and I'm here to help you in any way I possibly can. One of the things I do is I specialize with seniors before they get homeless because I found out there's so many homeless people in the bigger cities across Canada, and I've heard that it's prevalent in the United States as well. So this system that we have can be used by anybody. And if I'm a senior and I can learn how to use it, anybody can learn how to use it. It's absolutely fabulous. So I will put the link in this newsletter so that you can be able to click on it and register and learn all the different secrets that we have to learn. So this one is specifically how to attract your perfect customer. And I will be running some other LinkedIn sessions after this for the LinkedIn Turbochargers on reaching 100K in 6 months. And hopefully you'll be able to be there. I'm Christine Till, the marketing mentress.